Hello, welcome to ZilicusPM video guide. In this video, we will see how to report, analyze and review project risk for impact and response strategy. Most projects, even before we kick them off, get characterized by risk. It is important to highlight, recognize and analyze project risks. ZilicusPM provides a powerful project risk management capability for project managers. Like project issues, there are multiple ways to access risk information. One can click on the risk link on home screen within Risks tab, or click on desired project name on home screen or Projects table. As system navigates you to project workspace, click on Risk section on left side panel. Please keep in mind that Risk section is accessible if your account administrator has enabled Risk module in admin screen. Within Risk section, you will see subsection like Risks reported by me, Risks to be reviewed, Risks assigned to me, All risks. All of these are risks reports for current project. As name suggests, All risk contains all risks reported in current project. All risks is basically your project risk register. Risks reported by me shows risks created by logged in user or risks reported by logged in user. Risk to be reviewed lists all those risks which have been reported but are pending for review by logged in user. And it is going to be the project manager. Risks assigned to me report will show all risks assigned to me. For each of these reports that we just looked, can be grouped by, assigned to, grouped by status, reported by, impact and probability. For example, if I group risks by selecting reported by, I can easily find that Thomas has reported 4 risks, Sarah has reported 1 risk, and so on. One can also check how many of those risks are reviewed, of those reviewed what their probabilities are, and so on. Now let's see how to create a risk or report a risk. One can click on Add New Risk button here. It will pop up a small window. Enter short summary of the risk in this first box. Describe more details about a risk in full description box. Risk reporter can set a risk type, which can be updated subsequently. One can also enter expected date when the risk is likely to occur. The treatment of a risk, after it is submitted to system, is different than project issue. When a risk is reported, it is assigned to project manager for analysis and review. Project manager can view list of risks pending for his or her review, either on home screen or in risk report risks to be reviewed. Project manager can open risk details by clicking on the risk summary link. You can view risk information as submitted by risk reporter. Click on review risk link in the top right corner of risk details page. It will pop up review risk window. Based on your assessment and experience of analyzing risk, enter risk probability from 0 to 100%. Risk impact, whether risk will have insignificant impact on project or minor, major, catastrophic or so. Decide how are you doing to respond to this risk? Are you going to accept the risk and live with it, or mitigate it with mitigation plan? Avoid it by some mean or transfer it? You can specify mitigation plan and or contingency plan for this risk. You can delegate risk response work to your colleague and set a due date for resolution of risk. Once you review the risk assessment details and response strategy will be populated in following sections. Like description, risk impact assessment, response plan. In the comments section you can add update comments. Remember, if email configuration is done set to receive risk comments, risk reporter and risk assignee will receive comments through email. You can simply reply to that email and system will record your email response as a comment. You can click on Back to Report link here to go back to main report page. You can click on the left arrow or right arrow to move from one risk to another risk in the same report. As a project manager, of course you would like to get overview of all risks reported in projects or multiple projects. ZilicusPM provides Project Dashboard and Portfolio Dashboard. In Project Dashboard, you will be able to track project risks by probability and impact. This chart is called Risk Heat Map or 5x5 Risk Probability versus Impact Matrix. On Portfolio Dashboard, you can track risk status across multiple projects. In the Health chart, do watch Portfolio Dashboard video and Project Dashboard video for more details. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit zilicus.com for more information.